See, this is another video about the home inspection, that while surveying your wiring of a new house even, you should check the outlets by opening the front plate and then check the outlets whether they have been wired with the screws or it is wired as the back step. Now this provision is always there in the switches and the outlets. I will show you what is the problem and how does it look like. Now see, this is a outlet, duplex kind of outlet, and you can see here this is a wire going into a hole which is spring loaded. So when you push in here, the wire is gripped by the spring inside and the wire is stayed there. These are the screws. This wire can go here as well. These are the neutral screws for the neutral, and the screws which are of brass, or they are called the golden color screws. They are for the hot wire where you connect the black or the red wire, and the green one where you connect the green wire or the bare copper wire like this. This is the grounding wire. So the wire which is pushed into the switch, this is known as the backstepping. I will show you another switch, another outlet. Now see here, this is the outlet, this is the front here, and this is the back of the outlet. Now see here, the black wire is also stabbed in or the pushed in directly, the white also, which is neutral, and the ground wire is connected here but is not good, not fine here. So whenever you expect all these things, whether this is connected here and these two wires are connected to the screws. Black wire go on the back where you will find the golden screws, but here it is the back stepping. That is also known as the speed wiring, because this saves time of the electrician and they prefer to just push in the wire here and then they are finished their job. So that saves their time, and time is money. See another example here. All the wires here going, these neutrals and the hot wire inside, they are all back step. So this is a easy, speedy wiring type of work which saves time and saves the money of the electrician. But it is not good, because by the passage of time, these spring loaded conductors here, wires here, get loose and there is inside sparking, and ultimately there is a carbon, and then there will be ultimate failure of the outlet. It will not work. So this kind of stabbing, if you see, then you can negotiate the price, and because you can say that I will have to replace this. These will not work more than 6 to 7 years. If this is a new house, even after 6 7 years, you look at the uh, outlets by opening the front plate and the screws there, then you will see that there will be the carbon spots here. So when you will go for selling your house and they hire the inspection, house inspection consultant, then they will definitely open and check for the step wiring, which is not wrong. That is not a mistake, but that is not advisable, because these are for the speed wiring. They are for one-time wiring, and they, after passage of 6 7 8 10 years, the carbon is deposited because the connection is not at as tight as it should be. So these should be connected here, making a J type of the wire bending, and then you connect it here, white here, and the black on the other side where you will have the golden screws. So please keep in mind, this is not a irregularity, but this is not a good work as well. So there are the commercial grade outlets. I will show you a picture in another one. I don't want to mix up because I am making the videos for the common people and do it yourself people. So please, whenever you get a new spectacle, receptacle, or outlet, or say socket, just wire them here. Neutral here, and the black will go on the other side, or the red wire will go on the other side, which is of the golden color. So in the commercial grade, there is a push-in type, but this push-in type, there is a plate and it is connected with this screw. After pushing in, then you tighten the screw and the wire will be fixed there permanently, and there will be no carbonization after a certain time. So that is also a better option. That will cost you $1 or $2 more per piece, but that is also a better option that you use the commercial grade outlet. So that will be speedy, stab wired as well, but at the same time the screw you will have to tighten the screw, and that will hold the wire very tightly. So this is all about the backstabbing, which is allowed but not good. Electricians save time, the contractors, builders save time, and time is the money, you know. And then final request that these videos are for the only for the educational purposes, information only. You have to take care of all the safety measure. You have to study the code, relevant code, and you should use the safety gloves. I also recommend that you should wear the spectacles, the glasses as well, before touching any electrical panel board or uh, outlet or anything or wire which is live. You should also test with the non-contact tester whether the wire is live or not. You should you must switch off the electricity from the panel board to this outlet, and after that test with the non-contact tester whether there is no electricity in the hot wire and the neutral wire. Check every wire. You never know which wire may be hot by mistake or just a normal way fashion. So this is all about the backstabbing, and please remember these are the educational videos, information only, and you have to follow all the rules and regulation. But I encourage you to do it yourself because these are very small jobs. You can do it. Thank you very much.